なぜ彼が年商35億円になれたのか、学校では絶対に教えてくれない大富豪だけが実践しているお金の真実がここにあります。
How did you get rich?
You ever in a gas station?
Yes.
Thank you for your business.
What do you mean?
I drill oil wells all across the nation.
What's the most amount of money you made in a single year?
Just under 24 million.
Are you a good salesman?
I'm a closer, baby.
Give me your best sales and negotiation advice right here.
You can make millions in sales, but you can make billions in marketing. I think that marketing is the most important part of any business. If you have the best product in the world and nobody knows what you have don't have anything. A lot of people downplay social media marketing, especially in the oil and gas industry, because they're like 100 years old. But let me tell you something. Social media marketing knows everything about you. If you're not marketing on social media, you're going to get left behind.
Why do the richest people invest in oil and gas?
Well, because rich people understand oil and gas has some of the best tax benefits whenever it comes to offsetting your active income. Lots of
人生最後に後悔すること、全財産を失っても残したいたった一つの素質を本物の大富豪が語る。
So was the sacrifice worth it to become a billionaire?
It wasn't a sacrifice. The journey is the reward. Remember this, the money does not belong to you. The money belongs to God. This world's going to end like this. And on our last day, we're not going to be talking about money or what deal we didn't do. We're going to be thinking about the time we didn't spend with the people we love.
Do you think anybody can become a billionaire?
No.
Why not?
Read a book called Never Eat Alone. Luck doesn't just come. Luck comes when you're looking for opportunity.
What is the greatest advice you ever received throughout your career?
Your children are one friend away from total disaster. And if you don't separate it when you see it, you can lose your kid. When you lay and sleep with pigs, you get pig shit on you.
If I took everything away from you and all you could keep is one trait to become a billionaire, make it back, what would that be?
And when you see the great Walinda up on the wire, walking without a net, you know why he didn't fall?
16歳で逮捕され10年の服役、どん底にいた男は一体どうやって総額億単位を稼ぐ大富豪になれたのか。
How did you get rich?
I learned about wealth and investing in the prison cell, bro. Went to prison when I was 16 for attempted armed robbery, man.
Are you serious?
I did 10 years, man.
What was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
8 figures. I'm gonna leave you with that. I still got people in the hood.
You didn't come from a rich family. What's your number one actionable step anybody can take to get rich in today's world?
Frederick Douglass said something that I really love. Once a man gets information, it makes it hard for him to be a slave.
Information changes situations.
And it changes the conversation. The conversation changes your compensation.
This is gay right here. You know that, right?
So I have a saying, poor people live check to check. Rich people live year to year. Wealthy people live from generation to generation.
What you pay in taxes?
My biggest year in tax.
病気もせず年中無休で24時間働く最強の従業員の正体とは、59歳の大富豪が明かす人生が一変する本当のお金の働かせ方がここに。
How did you get rich?
Insurance and investment. The money's in the money business.
Do you think anybody can get rich?
Yeah. A man that knows how will always have a job. A man that knows why will always be his boss. The magic's in up here, knowing why, not how.
What's the best financial advice you can give to the younger generation?
Your greatest employee, a man that can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, won't call in sick. Does he exist? Does she exist? Yes, she does. Her name is Susan B. Anthony. His name is old Ben Franklin.
So you gotta make it work.
You gotta make it work. Money's your greatest employee.
And you had one more guiding principle for myself and the younger generation, what would that be?
I keep this in my car because it reminds me of life. This ribbon here is from 1 to 100. Now, the average male lives at 75 years old. Average female, 81. I'm a male. So I'm going to put my thumb here on 75, and I'm going to tear it. I'll probably never see this part of life. If I do, I'm not going to be amateur. I'm not going to be dunking the basketball and all that. My life quality is going to change. I am 59 years old. So I'm going to put my thumb here on 59. And I'm going to tear it. Now this part right here, I will never.
人気番組シャークタンク。投資家として年商10億ドルを誇るキング創業者、彼が路上で1ペニーを拾う理由とホロコーストを生き延びた父から受け継いだ奇跡の教えとは。
How did you get rich?
Give me 1 second. Have you ever had one of these?
Kind bar? Yes.
I founded it.
You created the kind bar? Would instill in everybody around the world watching right now.
My grandfather was a rancher in Mexico. He was a cattleman. He said, a man that's too proud to pick up a penny is not worth a penny. Be humble enough to appreciate that one penny. I'm walking on the street, I will bend over and pick up the penny because ego is the only thing more powerful than greed.
You're in every store known to man. What was your secret to getting in every single retail store on the planet?
Hard knocks. It's literally hard knocks. Like, I was on a date with my wife and I would ask her before she was my wife, hold on, I need to check into this bodega, and I would sell or trade.
世界最年少で自力で億万長者となった男、一夜にして全てを失う瀬戸際から彼を救った投資家を圧倒する禁断の交渉術とは。
How did you become a billionaire?
Dropped out of college, founded my company, and then took it public on the New York Stock Exchange.
What business made you rich?
We're in the tech industry.
The best financial advice you could give to the younger generation.
One of our early investors, he's a billionaire, he said, winning is your only option. You can't think about what ways could I potentially lose at this.
It has to work or it has to work.
Winning is the only option.
So give me a piece of negotiation advice right here that can change somebody's life.
Never get into a position where you're desperate. That's where things usually go wrong.
You have to have leverage.
Absolutely. And you need to be willing to walk away when it doesn't make sense. I had a night where we were supposed to close the deal the following day. The investor tried to change the terms on us. And so that evening, I flew to Florida, met with a different investor, and the following day signed the entire deal with a totally new investor. And you gotta always keep a plan B.